Well, it's a beautiful evening today. What's not beautiful is a problem that I'm facing with the bike. So, as you might have noticed, the bike that I'm currently riding looks different. Well, because it is different. After I uploaded the last video, the bike just stopped cranking like after 1 or 2 weeks. So I'll just show you when we are back home, but let me give you an idea of what's happening with the bike. So I checked the charge of the battery. The charge seems pretty good, so that's not the problem. But when I crank or when I try to crank the bike, it just refuses to start. There's no response from the starter. So I knew before that there are quite some problems electronically with the G310R and the GS2, but I never thought this would occur so early. Like, it's just hardly 1 year that I have purchased the bike and it's already dead. So what we are gonna do is quickly go home and I'll show you guys what seems to be the problem. It might take some time. I'll just magically warp us there within few seconds. And look at that. We are home. I gotta tell you guys, warping is definitely dangerous in Indian roads. So here's the bike sitting here for like 2-3 weeks. Let me show you what the problem is. So the screen comes on, the fuel pump is turning on, indicators are fine, headlight is working, all fine. But when I try to crank this thing up, nothing. So just to make sure, the kill switch is off and on again. Nothing. Well, that is just disappointing. So I'll show you the charge in the battery to rule out the fact that it might be discharged. Let me get the multimeter. And just like that, a multimeter. I'll just pop this thing open. Turning it to 20 volts since the battery is 12. So I'll just put the positive and the negative. So you can see the charge is around 12.8 volts. So the battery is not discharged for sure. So I spoke to a local battery shop, and according to them, the battery is not giving enough current to start the bike, but it has enough charge to start all the systems, electronic systems in the bike. When I talked to the showroom people, according to them, it might be a stator or an alternator problem, or it might just be a faulty battery. So that's it. The update that I wanted to give you about the bike. In few days the service is due, and I'll be going to the service center, which is like 250 kilometers from here. I might have to jump start the bike, and once I start it without stopping, I have to reach the service center. So I'll see you soon in that video. Bye bye.